My name is Eneko Nor. I'm the founder of Luday. Our main product is called Cocoon. It's a software to build applications easier. Any company, any individual can take their website and convert it into a final native application for Android, for iOS, for Windows Phone. So we make building applications much easier, faster, and cost-effective for companies all over the world. So with our service, we can take any website, any e-commerce site, any normal website, and convert it into a final Android, iPhone, Windows Phone application in just a few minutes. So here we have a website, Cocoon. We have a website, and we want to have a native application that we can upload it to Google Play, Apple App Store. So we come here to Cocoon.io, that is our service. We log in and we choose this one of our services, that is from web to app. So from web to app we type the URL cocoon.com, create. So we create a new project, and once we have the project created, we can come and compile a final native application here. Compile. Our system is working on the cloud to compile an application, which is taking this website and putting it inside an application for Android, an application for iPhone, and an application for the rest of the platforms. And now it's working. And once we have it, so we can download it. Now it's waiting, but it's taking. It's going to take up 2 minutes, and then once we have it, we can put it in any Android phone and any iPhone phone. And here we have this test application, which is Cocoon. So this is our logo, because this is a test application for Android. We can have the same for iPhone. We open it and it works the same as a native application. The cost of doing this is nothing. You have a team to build the website, so you don't need a team to build the Android application and to build the iPhone application. Just one team for the 3 platforms. And with this final Android application, iPhone application, you can use native features for the native applications, like push notifications, access to different payment systems, access to the GPS, to Bluetooth. Anything you need, you can get it into this kind of application. So with Cocoon, we save a lot of time and money to companies, because they don't need 3 teams to build applications. They just need one team to build a good website, and we take care of the rest by building the final application for Android and for iOS. So I have created 3 test applications for different e-commerce sites, and the most important thing is that this is a final application. This is a final application that it could be available on the App Store, so in Google Play and Apple App Store. It's not a shortcut. It's not a shortcut that we add to the home screen. It's a final application that you can have on the App Stores. In the end of the day, it works as a native application. We use the website to build it so that we can save a lot of time and money, but for the end user, this is a native application. This can be found on the Android markets, and for the end user, it works the same and with all the features that you need and you are expecting from an Android or iPhone application. Yeah, I was doing different projects related to mobile, and then I realized that it was a huge cost to have Android developers, iPhone developers, web developers doing basically the same. So when we were looking for a solution to make things faster and easier, and we found that when using HTML5, when using web technologies, we could we could have a good website, a good mobile website, and convert it into a final Android application, iPhone application easily. So we work on this technology to make this possible. My background is in business. I graduated in business, and since the beginning, I'm on the internet since year 95, and I started my first company in year 2000. So I've been always in technology companies, and in my team, we are a small team of 12 people. In my team, we have very good engineers. So people that have been working on this project for the last 5 years. They work together, they are good, they are rockstar engineers. Our main target are like small companies or companies that are starting, because usually the big ones, they already have the applications developed. But we believe that this solution goes from big companies like banks to small startups, because in the end of the day, a startup needs three people to build applications, but a big bank, they need 3 huge teams, a huge team for iPhone, for Android. So they are spending a lot of money on having 3 teams where maybe they only need 1. No, it's a good question, but we don't do the iPhone to Android. It's from website to iPhone and to Android. Oh, just a few minutes. In just a few minutes, our like cloud-based platform does all the process. This is a good solution because you can build a mobile application that is very similar to what you can do with the native development, like developing specifically for iPhone or specifically for Android. Any company can save a lot of money with using our technology. So it's not just when you first build an application that you save money, because in the end of the day, an application it's a live product that you have to change it all the time, and so you need to have all those teams working together for all the time. So the cost is impressive. Yeah, we would like to make the process even easier and explain it even easier. Maybe now it's more for advanced users. We would like to do mainstream, like for everyone to be able to do that. And we are working on different features to make all the process easier and faster. Adobe has a product called PhoneGap that can be similar, and so that we could consider that our biggest competitor. This is that it could be free, because we have a free plan, and then from free to $9 per month, $14 per month, $89 per month. So it's a monthly fee depending on your needs, but we consider it's a very reasonable price. We try to be in the news on the different technology blogs, explaining this into meetups and conferences, and so that's the best strategy, because people need to see that it works and trust that it's a very good solution for them. As any technology startup, the main problem that the technology startups have is that maybe you can have a competitor that you didn't know about overnight. So and this is why we should run really fast, because we have a good solution today that today is the best, but tomorrow we don't know what's going to happen. We could be acquired someday by a huge company. We could IPO. For us, Asia, we really believe that this is going to be our biggest market. So that's why we are here in Korea. We think that this is the right place to set up an office and a hub for the rest of Asia. I mean, we think that China is a huge market for us, and Japan and Southeast Asia, it's a huge opportunity. So this is now our goal for the next year, to focus on this part of the world.
Okay. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias por su ayuda.